So I think that's pretty cool that this case not only has MagSafe compatibility, but it also has a built-in pop grip right here. Hey Wear Noticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is none other than OtterBox's OtterGrip Symmetry Series case with MagSafe for my beautiful iPhone 15 Pro Max right here. Now, before I start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending it out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, OtterBox. But anyway, let's start opening this up. Here we go. So folks, checking out the box right here, as you see, we got a big cutout where you can actually see and touch the case itself. It's got the name of the case up here. It says it's ultra slim and it has 3 times as many drops as military standard. It's for the new 2023 iPhone Pro, the 15 Pro Max, and over here on the back it says similar things, plus it's made with more than 50% recycled plastic. So let's just open this up and check out this case. We can go ahead and pop it open and pull the case out, nice and easy right there. And then we can go ahead and pop my 15 Pro Max into it right here, just nice and easy, and voila. So first I kind of want to check out this pop grip right here. So it looks like we can just pull it out and then grip my iPhone with it. Maybe I'll stick one finger in there, and yeah, that works just fine. So over there on the back we have this. We also over here on the sides have that action button, new with the 15 Pro Max. We've got volume buttons right here, nice and clicky. Over on the bottom, cutout for the brand new USB-C port, cutouts for speaker grills, and over here on the side, we've got the side button, of course, and also an OtterBox logo right there. Over on the back, we do have a raised lip around the rear camera array and a raised lip around the front of the phone. So in theory, if you put your phone face down on a flat surface, the screen should not be touching said flat surface. But anyway, now that we know that this pop grip right here works just fine, let's test out that MagSafe. So I've got my Apple MagSafe charging puck right here. And let's see, yep, that charges just fine. Makes sense, this is a MagSafe case. And I've also got my Apple MagSafe battery pack right here. We can slap this on too. And yes, that also charges just fine. So I think that's pretty cool that this case not only has MagSafe compatibility, but it also has a built-in pop grip right here, because that's pretty unique. I know past cases like this have either had one or the other built in, so it's cool having both at the same time. Now, it would also be cool if you could use this pop grip right here as a kickstand. Unfortunately, I don't think you can, because I've been trying to get that to work and it just wants to, you know, always fall over. But I don't think it's advertised as being used as a kickstand, so that's fine, but that would be cool if it could do that as well. Because I feel like I can almost get it to stand up with this pop grip. Like, see, if I prop it like this, it sort of wants to stand up there, but it takes a lot of effort and it's really quick to fall over there. It's also worth noting that you can spin the pop grip here around, maybe if you want to fidget with your phone while you're doing something else. But overall, there's not really much more to say about this case right here. Functionally, I mean, it works just as advertised. You can use the pop grip to hold onto your phone, and the MagSafe works just fine. I feel like this design, though, with these legs holding it out, it doesn't look the prettiest to me, but it does, however, definitely get the job done and accomplish its function right there. And yeah, when your fingers are actually in it, it looks just fine to me. It's almost like you're wearing your phone as a ring. But anyway, folks, if you want this case for yourselves, it will set you back about $60, so pretty reasonable price right there. And definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourselves? Let me know. And if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 15 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different 15 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed here on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and subscribe for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.